Hey traders, let's get to the daily, I don't know what they call it anymore, daily free video, whatever they title it. Anywho, big day again. I mean, what a week. We had HPQ, weekly calls, stock pops up. Love good till cancel orders. Had an order out there for my profit target. Got filled above at the open my profit target. Thank you, market makers. And just like we have been saying, sell the rips. Every time we had a gap up, what happens? Stocks start to decline. And that's what happened in the market today. We had a big pop off the 830 inflation number. And then pop, whoop, drop. Had a chance if you're holding any more of those Caesar calls or MGM calls to make even better than yesterday. And then they started to decline as well. So fantastic morning. We will continue to do the same. Buy the dips, sell the rips. That has been the strategy. And today, get this, we saw some Palantir May 10 calls, about 12,000 of these traded. They moved so quick, took these not only from the scanner, the 5-minute buy signal, but we also had a daily buy signal, and yesterday had some June calls. Palantir was up around 7% today. The May 10 calls went from about 32 cents to around 54 cents in a flash. I'm typing the trade alert, and here they are hitting targets already. So fantastic. Again, short dated trade opportunities out there, whether you day trade or you hold positions for a few days. The market remains hot. When you're saying, oh, Lance, the market sucks, the S&P, it's not moving. No. If you look at individual stocks using, you could use the master indicator scanner. You could use, of course, my option scanner. I mean, there has been some fantastic trades this week. It's been very exciting. Going out to get me some Greek food right now for lunch. And just like yesterday, I mean, before lunchtime, the day's already over. Already had a fantastic day. What else are we seeing out there? You may be wondering. Of course, you have your Tesla degenerate 170, 175 weekly call buys. You're always going to have those. Tesla had a nice move already at the open. Again, Tesla trades so many options a day. Fantastic day trading stock that I love to do. AMD, we mentioned some of those June 105 calls. AMD shares up around 6% today. So another nice mover, another fantastic stock to day trade. AMD, NVIDIA, Tesla, those names really been moving. We saw some Warner Brothers June 9th calls. They keep buying more Warner Brother calls. You do have Disney reporting after the close. And we saw some Netflix weekly 340 calls. Probably will play on Disney earnings as well. In terms of big orders, we saw some MetLife June 50 puts. The banks have it just crapping still. Anything in the finance related sector, very, very bearish. Saw some Bank of America puts as well come across today. So what remains hot? Individual names. Had a chance to get in some Roblox calls that I day traded as well that hit the scanner yesterday. Stock was about 7% on earnings. You want to focus on these momentum names, these highly shorted names, really squeezing today. Palantir, Carvana, those calls went from 50 cents to 207 in a day, and Carvana up another like 13% this morning. Upstart squeezing higher, and you really want to look for hedges or look for downside plays in the boring banks, the stocks that are weak, those boring Dow stocks. Screw that. Give me the junky stocks. That's what I'm trading.